What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamara. Hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up to let me know how much you enjoyed my videos. And if you guys have paid any attention to any of my videos or my channel in general, you would know that I love and I'm absolutely obsessed with skincare. I have been for so long. It is a passion of mine and a love of mine. And that is because, honestly, you guys, we get one skin. I don't even know if I said that correctly, but we get one skin, and once it's ruined, it's ruined. So why not take care of it while we can? So for those of you who are new to skincare, you're just getting into skincare and you realize like, hey, it's really important for me to take care of my skin, I want to help you guys kind of create a skincare routine. So if you guys are interested and you are beginners with skincare, then keep on watching this video. Now, before we jump in the type of products you should be picking up for your skincare routine, first ask yourself a question. What skin type am I? Now, if you have a difficult time identifying your skin type, then I will leave a link to a website down below in the description bar so you can take a quiz and identify your skin type. So, are you normal, which is characterized by well-balanced skin? Are you dry, which is characterized by an underproduction of sebum? Are you oily, which is characterized by an overproduction of sebum? Or are you combination, which means you are more oily in your T-zone, have enlarged pores, and or your cheeks are dry to normal. So once we have identified those three things, then we can move on to the next question. So the next question you want to ask yourself is, do you have any skin issues that you want to address? So for instance, do you have acne-prone skin? So you want to treat acne. Do you have aging skin? So you want to treat wrinkles. Or do you have dark spots? So you want to lighten those dark spots. These are all questions we need to ask yourself because these are what your products are going to be geared toward. Once you've asked yourself that, then we can move on to products. So with that being said, there are three basic skincare items you need in your skincare regimen. It's a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. It would also help if you include a sunscreen, but sometimes you can get lucky and you can find that sunscreen is already added into your moisturizer. If not, I do highly recommend a sunscreen as well. Now, if you want to take your skincare to a level above basic, then I would also recommend a serum and an eye cream. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna just stick with the cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Okay, you guys, we've made it to the fun part. Let's talk about where to buy and also some examples of products you can add into your skincare routine, okay? So first, let's start with drugstore. I know when I first started with my skincare regimen, I was broke, young, and had acne. So a drugstore was definitely a place that I started, and I had acne. So I leaned more toward Clean and Clear. Obviously, they are a product line that is geared more toward clearing acne. Also Neutrogena. They have multiple different lines for different skincare issues, so I love them. I also use them for acne. I also use them for hydrating my skin. And last but not least, I also loved Aveeno. I feel like they are a great brand, great if you have a sensitive skin as well, so they are definitely an option. Now, if you're the type of person where you don't really want to shop at the drugstore for your skincare, or you have a little bit more money to splurge on better skincare, then you can definitely go in-store. So in-store meaning Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, Nordstrom's, whatever has like a skincare counter or skincare products. So some of my favorites from higher end stores would probably be Clinique. They were probably the first higher end brand that I used. Once again, I use them for acne. Amazing. They actually have a 3-step skincare system that just, honestly, it changed my skin. And what's nice about that is that if you go into like Macy's or you go into Sephora or something like that, you actually have someone face-to-face to talk to. I know for me, I went into Macy's and I actually got to speak to someone, and she actually got to look at my skin and recommend products for me. Also, Clinique has a wide variety of products for different skincare that you can use. Some of my other favorites that I honestly purchased like at Sephora would probably be Ulla Hendrickson, and I have a skincare kit from them that I'm actually currently using, and it is the Let's Get Luminous Brightening Skincare Kit, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have the name for it down below, the correct name for it, but I absolutely love that. If you guys are suffering from like dull skin and you just need a boost of brightness, I definitely recommend that. Also, super hydrating. Also, last but not least, Fresh skincare. Now, Fresh is on the more pricier side. However, you do get what you pay for. Fresh also has a wide variety of products for different skincare issues, and they also have products that's really, really good for sensitive skin. So if you guys are suffering from sensitive skin issues or what have you, Fresh is also a great option. Now, if you just cannot be bothered with creating your own skincare routine, then luckily there are tons of online skincare sites that will be happy to do it for you. So you literally just pick a product, go on their website, take a skincare quiz, and they send you your skincare regimen. So it's nothing that I have not done in the past. I feel like the first product brand to do that had to be Proactive. It definitely worked great for my skin. However, it did fade my towels and sheets like a lot. Another online skincare brand that I love was Michael Todd. I used them in the past several times, love them, and what makes them great is that they have all natural products. Once again, they have a wide range of products for different skin issues, so you can pick whatever you like. I've also recently heard great things about a vegan line of skincare called BioClarity. Same difference. I went on their website, take a skincare quiz, and they send your regimen to you. So those are great options for skincare. Another tip when you are creating your skincare regimen is, especially if you're buying higher end products, is to buy samples, because just because your skincare regimen says like, oh, you should get this because you have acne prone skin, or you should get this kit because you have aging skin, doesn't mean that every product is going to agree with your skin. So I definitely recommend picking out sample sizes, trying it out, and if you truly love the product, then go and invest in the full size. So I hope this video helps some of you beginners out there who are starting a skincare regimen. I truly hope I helped you, because like I said, I feel like skincare is just super important. You only get one skin, you only get one life, you guys. Take care of it. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.